What's up guys, कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great. Time is literally 5:59 a.m. in the morning, almost 6 o'clock. This is what I wanted to do. Today is going to be kind of an exploration day for me. Pooja and Aisha are sleeping. I thought I'll just take this time because the rest of the day I'll have to be with them. I'll just take some time for myself, go wander around. Actually, it is not even this bright right now. Our Sony A7S III, it is so efficient. It has literally lit up the sky now. What my eyes can see, I think it'll be at least 30% less. And oh yes, I'm inside the lawn and it feels nice here. There's all proper dew on it. My legs are gonna get really wet now. Oh seriously dude, it is not this bright. Not at all. I just realized that I cannot sit here. It is too wet. The grass is too wet. I think I'll have to walk around. Anyways, I decided to work out a little bit. This is not the proper gym session. I'll be going to the gym in the evening because last evening I went and you need 24 hours of gap between two gym sessions. And I think it is seriously ridiculous to talk about gym itna subah. Come on, Sriman, you're on a vacation. For God's sake, don't do this. Actually, you know what? It is necessary to do things like this. Every day at home since the last 1 or 2 years, I get up at 8 a.m. The same routine. Get up, get fresh, go to the gym, have breakfast. The same routine. You know, when you come on a vacation, you have to do things a little bit differently. I mean, the vacation is completely different, but still, your routine should change, I feel. Get up a little bit early, take in this amazing views. We paid, no? We have to take it. Actually, I told Pooja also to do that. Last night she said she will do it. Now, when I got up at 5:50, she's like, 6:30 ko jayenge. I understood she'll not come. And of course, it is a little bit difficult with the baby and all. Once in a while, it is important to take time for yourself. It's called me time. It's not just for the husband, it's for the wife as well. So I told Pooja also to do this once. I asked her to go have breakfast while me and Aisha will chill at the room. But she acts like a typical mommy, yaar. So let's see if I can get some nice time lapses. I don't understand here. Whenever I want to capture some nice time lapses, especially in beautiful places like this, it will definitely be clear skies. Look at it right now. This side, so I can see a little bit of clouds. I think we can get some kind of time lapse here. Only issue is that not so beautiful clouds. There's not much contrast. This side though there is no cloud at all. Full clarity है sky में. Crows and all. Nowadays we don't see crows in the cities, right? Very rare to see them. And the sound of them, they remind me of my childhood. Because that time there were like a lot of crows. The sound of them, it definitely feels like you're near a beach. I found this structure. Can I go up? I think this is for the lifeguard. Can we go up here? You have to do everything till someone stops you. Let's see. Oh, you get a nice view from here, dude. Pooja and Aisha are coming now. Pooja just saw my Instagram story. She liked the view, so she decided to come. Hi Aisha. You woke up?
Woke up when you got up, but because I had to get her ready and everything. Chalo.
It's so nice and beautiful, right? Nice and bright.
Yo, anything for Goa.
What Goa?
God. I thought Papa's gone mad.
They're watching our vlog. She's so excited seeing herself on camera. No? इधर भी record हो रहा है. Say hi बोलो. Hi baby बोलो.
Hi baby.
Very good. Vlog came out really well. Finally. Nishu, you know you puked here. You have to go and see how the car situation is right now. Definitely. You stop punching my camera, dude. I'm pretty sure once I open my car after we go back, it's gonna smell of puke. First thing I have to do is definitely take the car for service and get the internal shampooing done for sure.
You know what? My cup holders are filled with puke.
Nishu, you're muted. Jelly एक बार कर लो. Freeze. Okay, now booking a nice hotel is fancy and all that. We enjoy that, especially for the amazing views you get, for the amazing bed experience and all that. It's very good. But ordering food is a big issue here. We just scan the menu. Where is the menu? It is next level expensive. Like I've been staying in star hotels and all that before. I've never seen prices like this. It's just a joke, you know. Hyatt was the most expensive I've stayed in, especially the food menu. 850 rupees for a chicken burger. That was like insane. 850 rupees. That is just the price of the food item, and then taxes and all that, luxury tax, that tax, this tax, almost 1000 rupees for a chicken burger. That is insane, right? Now get ready to hear this. How much do you think a tandoori chicken will cost? Your wild guess?
Tandoori chicken should be under 1,000.
1000, that is still high, but chalo, I have experienced. Sound thoda kam karo na. What are you saying?
What are you saying, Naishu? No, it's some ad.
I understood, that's a trailer. I know you're also angry with the hotel's prices, but come on. 1595, 1600 rupees for tandoori chicken. 1600 rupees. Plus taxes. Taxes are extra. नीचे green में लिखा है. Now Pooja is acting like normal. First day when she saw the menu prices,
no,
she went
because
mad.
I'm used to it.
That's what I'm saying. You saw it first day, so you're fine. This is how much it
I'm
costs.
extremely fond of room dining, in-room dining.
Yeah, she said we'll go, we'll chill, we'll have fun, full unwind करेंगे, we'll order some nice food in the room.
We still
I said,
can.
I was also like, oh yes, we'll do that.
Can, but we did it
You
yesterday.
can, यार तोप है तू.
Hello, तू तोप नहीं है.
तेरा जैसा तोप तो नहीं
Oh
है.
please, look who's talking.
The most successful woman.
Oh please.
Vegetable curry is 1400. Gulab jamun.
500 or 600 maybe.
You're still giving a high price because now you came to this level.
तो ठीक है बाबा.
Wait, description. What is ठीक है? It is not ठीक है. It is not at all
You
ठीक है.
decided to come to 5-star.
900 rupees for milk solid dumplings with sweetened syrup and pistachios.
कितना एकर्स है बाहर?
Italian పేర్లు రాసేసి ఏ పడితే అది అమ్మేస్తున్నారు.
कितना एकर्स है बाहर? All of baby.
I know pricing is very. I understand. Don't cry. I'm crying already inside. And the worst part is the hotel is so huge. The resort is like next level. 60 acres it seems.
It's amazing.
It is amazing, no doubt. But the problem is, if you have to go to the gate, the main gate, you can do Swiggy, you can do Zomato. But then who will go to the main gate?
You.
I'll only go. I should only go. These two can't go.
All baby. क्या हुआ?
I know. It is very expensive.
Okay.
KFC है, McDonald's है, everything is available. But then I'll have to go till the main gate. Main gate को जाने के लिए you have to call a electric buggy here. You can't just walk and go because it is a crazy 1 kilometer away the main gate. We are having a very good experience here, staying and all that. But food, come on यार, थोड़ा सा कम करना. At least 30-40% less. We would be satisfied.
इतने एकर्स कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे अगर तुमसे इतना पैसे नहीं लेंगे?
I'm genuinely crying, dude. My cries are genuine. Oh yes, all this is the view you're getting. So इतना पे करने के बाद इतना fogging. It shouldn't fog. AC should be designed in such a way that it shouldn't fog. View is amazing, next level. Again fogging. We are paying 1000 rupees, bro. You shouldn't fog like this. Yeah, these fish are funny. When you stand here, they are all coming towards you. You see that? See? I'm pretty sure they are also not being fed properly. They are also not doing any room service because it's too expensive.
ये ताज की fish है, okay.
Taj ki fish. So whenever you come here, hey, I got an idea. Let's pick up one fish from here. Go eat fish fry. And I say joke कर रहा. Okay, don't take it too seriously. Time pass कर रहे. What to do? Finally, we did one thing yesterday. We decided to order here because I was too lazy to go till the main gate. We ordered chicken club exotica sandwich without bacon. That means they cut out 400 rupees of bacon from that. And still they charge us 1600 rupees. 1600 rupees for, seriously, chicken sandwich without bacon. And that portion size was literally this much. 2 slices of bread. This is insane. I'm not complaining or not anything negative. The prices they're charging is definitely for all this. I mean, this is business, right? They have to make money. No complaints, but just my internal feeling, you know. Anyways, today we decided to not order from here. You threw my iPad. Okay, what are we doing for lunch? She'll order from Zomato now. By the way, I like Swiggy more than Zomato. Ordering food, my preference. Zomato, no, I had a bad experience recently. Their customer care is like very bad.
I always told you Swiggy is better.
Swiggy is any day better. It doesn't matter if it's Taj. It doesn't matter if it's Hyatt. It doesn't matter if it's Marriott.
Yes.
हमारा नाइशा है तो it is gonna be like this.
यही होता.
What is this, Naisha? What is this? You have to clean all this.
No way, she's not bothered.
Freeze! Pav Bhaji, classic Bombay street food. Thick, spicy mashed vegetables served with buttered local pav bread. You need accent for such food, especially in places like this, because it's just 1400 rupees. Pav Bhaji is 1400 rupees.
Funny.
This is for all the moms. Show it to your mom, okay?
My mother will faint. And even mom will faint. I'm fainting.
Bendakai. Home style okra cooked with onion and spices. Just 1000 rupees plus taxes. Fulka. Fulka ne erri fulka chestaru. 500 plus taxes. Oh, this is the cheapest, okay?
तो खाली फुल्का खाते क्या?
Just we'll order 2 fulkas, which will be 1000 rupees plus taxes. See, it's not that we can't afford it. Now I'm not trying to boast and all. We can buy all this. But thing is, you don't get the satisfaction when you're eating one fulka paying 1000 rupees. You're getting the...
I'll always carry it.
We can get nice shots.
So where's the drop?
We just want a round till main gate. We didn't see the resort, so...
Okay.
Nice electric cart. I wanted to give you guys a tour, right? A resort tour. But then obviously I cannot walk and give it. So I decided to take the electric cart. You literally have to call and book it. Alright, now time is around, I think 6 o'clock, 6:15. Sun is setting. That is the beach.
So today is your first day?
Today is second day.
Third day, no?
Anything special about this place that you would like to mention?
You know about the bar and everything, right?
Yes.
The happy hours
Yes.
and everything.
What is the total area? I was thinking it's
It was
around 56 acres.
56 acres,
Correct?
yes.
Okay.
And we have a total of 140 rooms. So
140
100
rooms.
Are these ones, the villas.
Okay.
And then you have 40 rooms, which are the sea facing ones, that side.
Okay. Those are villas as well?
Those are sea facing, yeah, they are a bit bigger in size compared to these ones.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah.
Oh,
These
so
made
we are in
first,
budget. Okay.
These rooms were made first, so that's why those ones are a bit costlier.
Okay.
compared to these ones,
More
yeah.
expensive. And next
So-
time we'll do that.
That's the pool side, and
Okay.
right there we have the aqua bar. Which
Okay. It is difficult to say when it's that side because that's like almost 300 meters there.
Yeah, I'll just take the picture.
And nothing can be shown like that side, this side. You literally have to go till there. That too, you can't walk and go. You need to take the cart and go. Do celebrities come here a lot?
Yes, sir, they do.
Whom did you meet
Sir, I actually joined this hotel 3 months ago
recently?
only.
Okay. In these 3 months, no more celebrities?
3-4 days ago, if you know.
Oh yeah, I met her.
Okay, you went.
Met her.
Yeah, we met her on
Yesterday
the
we
beach.
met her.
Yeah.
They left?
I don't think so. They're
So if you want to pick up Zomato, Swiggy orders, you literally have to take the cart like this.
You come like this, no?
Sir,
How cute.
it takes so much of
Play
time.
area, this one.
Oh, kids play area.
Yeah.
Nice, we'll go there.
That
Okay.
side we have the spa.
That is the lobby.
Yeah.
That is where it starts from, the hotel. This is all like the parking area. So cars are not allowed from there. Look at the size, man. You literally have to come all the way till here, till the gate, to pick up the delivery.
Nice, yeah. Burn calories.
No, I'm not walking and coming all this. I mean, if you can do that, your one day ka cardio is done.
Correct.
That is the gate.
Yeah, understood. This became as well.
That's the main gate.
Taj.
What Taj? By the way, did I mention that this is Taj? Till now I did not. You know, they should have put some cycles here so that we can take and roam around instead of calling them all the time. One resort I went in Alappi. There we had cycles. That's a good idea. Otherwise, every time we have to call these people for the cart. No, that is better, na? You'll have exercise as well.
Exercise के लिए है ना gym जाओ.
Oh, the gym bhi hai udhar. This doesn't have lawns. People told us we have lawns here. No, there are no lawns. There are forests here. Like literally you can get lost.
Okay, when we go back, the room will call us. नानी को phone करेंगे. Okay, when we go back.
Insane, like mad insane. So that was the resort tour.
It was right.
In the cart itself, it took around 7-8 minutes. Around 10 minutes almost. Like he was doing good speeds, 20-30 kilometers per hour. Imagine if you had to walk and tour it. Impossible task. Room ka tour will go and give. Are you ready? Room ka tour dene ko? You will be the
Where
camera.
Yeah, of course.
Pooja will handle the camera today. Please don't shake it like this.
All this while I took no, it was fine. No?
Yeah, very
So
good.
chup rahe.
Really good. So I got my AirPods, gonna listen to some nice deep house music, feel the vibes a little bit, and then go back to the room. Today I'll have to work out once again. I know I'm repeating this every time, but that's how I keep myself motivated. When I say it on the camera, I'll definitely do it. Hope you guys have liked that time lapse. And by the way, it seems from tomorrow there is a lot of rain here. Luckily we have clear skies for now. Little bit of clouds that side. This side to pura clear hai. Google forecast shows from tomorrow onwards there are heavy rains. Hopefully that doesn't happen. By the way, it is so clear, the sky is so clear that we can see stars, we can see planets. Download this app to check it out. We could actually see a star there. Now it's covered with clouds. Like 2 minutes back we could see it. See that? It's Venus. That's moon. So accurate, dude. And that star you see there is Jupiter.